Yes, dear student, this is our first perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. One by one we'll do. As I am showing you, you have to do it exactly in your copy, in the same manner in your copy. First you will have to give the heading with black, underline it, then formula. What's the formula? General formula I told you earlier. Subject, then helping verb, because it is present perfect, that's why helping verbs are has been with he, she, it or any singular noun, and have been with I, you or we or any other plural noun. Then first form of verb with ing because it is continuous tense, then object, and then we have to mention the time period. So let's see the example, affirmative, negative and interrogative. You will have to give the heading of example. Then affirmative sentence we are doing, that's why I mention it with black. Whole sentence, let me show you. He has been working for 2 days. I explain you that when we mention the duration, then we use for. So here 2 days, duration we are giving. So for we will use. I have been practicing since morning. So this is the specific point of time. That's why we are using since. Now how to change it into negative? To make negative we use not with the helping verb. Have not been or has not been. So he has not been working for 2 days. I have not been practicing since morning. Now how to make the negative? Interrogative. Obviously main helping verb will at the beginning, then subject, then rest of the work, and at the last you will have to mention the question mark. So let's see. Has he been working for 2 days? Have I been practicing since morning? And question mark. This is our present perfect continuous. Now we start past perfect continuous. Again you have to mention the heading properly, then formula. Formula will remain the same. Subject, helping verb, verb first form with ing, an object, and you have to mention the time period. Because it is past perfect, that's why we'll use had been. Because had been is the past perfect continuous helping verb. Then examples, heading. First we'll do the affirmative sentence. Let's see the sentence. Boys had been flying kites since noon. Again it is the specific point of time, that's why we are using since. Children had been crying for 2 hours. Duration is given, that's why for 2 hours. Negative, how to make negative? With the after the helping verb, main helping verb, we use not. Boys had not been flying kites since noon. Turn the page. Let's see the second sentence. Children had not been crying for 2 hours. Interrogative sentence. Had will come at the beginning. Had the boys been flying kites since noon? And question mark. Had the children been crying for 2 hours? Then question mark. Let me show you properly. This is the way you are going to write it in your copy. If you are facing any problem, then you can slow down the video. You can have the screenshot. Easily you can do it. Next we'll do the future perfect continuous.